Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of Microsoft Azure Portal and showing you how to sign up and complete orientation. Whether you're new to cloud computing or looking to explore Azure, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. What is Azure Portal? Azure Portal is a web-based platform provided by Microsoft that allows users to access and manage their Microsoft Azure services. It is a central hub for managing all Azure cloud resources, such as virtual machines, databases, storage accounts, etc. The Azure Portal is important because it provides a user-friendly and intuitive interface for interacting with Azure services. It allows users to easily monitor, configure, and administer their resources, making it convenient for beginners and experienced users. It allows users to easily monitor, configure, and administer their resources, making it convenient for beginners and experienced users. Some key reasons why Azure Portal is necessary include centralized management. The Azure Portal provides a unified interface for managing all Azure services and resources, making navigating and controlling your cloud infrastructure easier. Service discovery. Through the portal, users can explore and discover a wide range of Azure services available for different use cases. It provides an extensive catalog of services with details and documentation that can help users make informed decisions. Monitoring and analytics. Azure Portal offers built-in monitoring and analytics feature that allows users to track their resources, performance, health, and usage. It provides real-time insights and dashboards to manage and optimize your Azure applications. Security and access control. The portal provides robust security features for managing access to Azure resources. Users can assign roles and permissions to control who can access and modify resources, ensuring the security and integrity of their cloud environment. Integration and automation. Azure Portal seamlessly integrates with other Azure services and tools such as Azure DevOps and automation framework like PowerShell and Azure CLI, which allows users to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and take advantage of their entire ecosystem. Overall, the Azure Portal simplifies the management of Azure services, enhances productivity, and provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to operate and scale your cloud infrastructure efficiently. Creating an account. Navigate to azure.microsoft.com. Get started. You can also scan the QR code. Then click New to Azure. Start free. If you have a Microsoft account, use it to sign in. If you do not have a Microsoft account, pause the video and create one. Complete the form options under your profile. You must provide basic information such as country, first and last name, email, phone. On your phone, you may get a warning notification that says, "Do not enter your country code in your phone number." This warning is displayed and will not stop you from creating an account. Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity after entering your information. Click Text Me or Call Me. You will then receive a verification code and the number provided. Enter that code to proceed. And the last thing they'll ask you for is your address. Next, we come to acceptance and validation. Review and agree to the customer agreement. Determine if you want to receive emails about products and services. Then hit Next. You may receive a pop-up that asks you to verify your address. Select Use this address to continue. Next, add your credit card information. When you create an Azure account, Microsoft does not charge you up front. Instead, Azure offers a free trial for new customers that provides a certain amount of credits to use within a specified period, usually 30 days. During the free trial, you can explore and use various Azure services within the credit limit without incurring charges. However, it's important to note that some specific services may have their pricing models or usage limits, even within the free trial period. I recommend you review the Azure pricing documentation or consult the Azure pricing calculator for details on the specific services you intend to use. After the free trial period expires, or when you exceed the free trial credit limit, Microsoft will start charging you for using Azure services on a pay-as-you-go plan. The charges will be based on the pricing rates for each service you use and the resources consumed. Monitoring your Azure resource usage and setting spending limits or budget alerts to manage costs effectively is essential. Monitoring your Azure resource usage and setting spending limits or budget alerts to manage costs effectively is essential. Once your credit card information is added, scroll down to the bottom and select Sign Up. Setting up the account. It will take a few minutes for your account to set up. Microsoft will ask if you enjoyed your account setup experience. Choose the happy or sad face and press Submit. Microsoft will direct you to the Quick Start Center, which is basically orientation for Microsoft Azure. Review the videos for important information about the Azure portal in Microsoft. Once you've reviewed the Quick Start Center, click the words Microsoft Azure in the upper left-hand corner to view the Azure dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your resources, services, and configurations. Thank you for watching.